This is Arnie and Justin. For years, they have been best friends. They laughed together, shared countless memories, and become each other's comfort through every challenges. To everyone around them, they were just best friends. But deep inside, Arnold's out her feelings had already become something more. She loved him silently, choosing to keep her feelings hidden because she feared losing the friendship they had built over the years. Every smile, every conversation, every moment they spent together made Arnie believe that maybe one day she would finally have the courage to tell him how she truly felt. But life doesn't always follow the story we imagine.
Pagkasan ka lang. Kumain ka na ba? Sabay na yung lunch.
Tama na ba? Ano?